Pit bulls, often misunderstood. These dogs have a reputation that precedes them, often painted in a negative light by media and misconceptions. But if you take a closer look, you'll find a different story. A story of loyalty, love, and an eagerness to please. They are loyal companions, full of love and eager to please. Their loyalty is unmatched and their love is unconditional. When a pit bull bonds with you, it's a bond for life. They are not just pets. They become family members who bring joy and laughter into our lives. Like all dogs, they communicate. But their way of communication is often misunderstood. Through their body language, barks, and even their eyes, they tell us what they need, what they fear, and what they love. It's up to us to listen and understand. We need to learn their language. Training and observing their behavior are key to building a strong relationship. Understanding their signals can prevent misunderstandings and help in nurturing a positive environment for them. Pit bulls are sensitive souls. They thrive on connection. They seek affection and respond to kindness. A gentle touch, a kind word, and a little patience can go a long way in making them feel secure and loved. With their humans, they crave understanding. They look up to us for guidance and reassurance. Their eyes follow us, their steps mirror ours. They want to be a part of our world, to share in our joys and comfort us in our sorrows. This breed forms deep bonds. They are not just loyal, they are devoted. They rest their heads on our laps, play gently with our children, and stand by us through thick and thin. Their bond with us is a testament to their loving nature. They are devoted to their families. Whether it's lounging on the couch or running in the yard, they want to be where we are. Their devotion is unwavering, and their love is pure. Pit bulls, when understood and loved, are the heartbeats at our feet. Dogs don't speak our language. They can't say "I'm sorry" with words like we do. But they have their own unique ways of communicating with us. This includes their methods of showing apologies and remorse. Pit bulls, often misunderstood, are no different in this regard. They have their own special ways of expressing their feelings. When a pit bull feels sorry, it shows remorse in various ways. These dogs are incredibly expressive, and their body language speaks volumes. One of the most common signs of a pit bull's apology is the guilty look. This look is often characterized by sad, soulful eyes that seem to say, "I didn't mean to do that." You might notice a lowered head, eyes looking up at you with a mix of guilt and hope, and a tail tucked between their legs. These are classic signs of a dog feeling remorseful. In addition to these visual cues, pit bulls might also use physical gestures to apologize. They might lick your hand gently, as if to say, "Please forgive me." Or they might give a gentle nudge with their head, seeking your attention and forgiveness. All these behaviors are ways of saying, "I messed up, and I'm sorry." It's their way of bridging the communication gap between species, showing that they understand when they've done something wrong and want to make amends. Understanding these signs can help strengthen the bond between you and your pit bull. When you recognize their apologies, you can respond with love and reassurance, helping them feel secure and loved. After all, every relationship, even one with a pet, thrives on understanding and forgiveness. Recognizing your pit bull's apology is crucial. It builds trust and strengthens your bond. Pay attention to their body language. A wagging tail doesn't always mean happiness. Observe the whole body. A slow wag with a lowered body indicates uncertainty. Ears pulled back show submission. They understand they've done wrong. Your pit bull has apologized. Now, it's your turn. Respond with love and understanding. Avoid harsh punishments. This only creates fear and anxiety. Use a calm voice. Offer gentle strokes. Show them you still love them. This reinforces positive behavior. Remember, they are trying to please you. In this section, we'll talk about creating a stress-free haven for your pit bull. Creating a serene and comfortable environment for your pit bull is essential for their overall well-being. Just like humans, dogs need a space where they can feel safe, relaxed, and free from stress. This is especially true for pit bulls, who are known for their loyalty and sensitivity. By providing a calm and nurturing environment, you can help your pit bull thrive and lead a happy, healthy life. You see, pit bulls really thrive in calm environments. They are naturally energetic and playful, but they also need time to unwind and relax. A calm environment helps them feel secure and reduces anxiety. This can be achieved by creating a designated space in your home where your pit bull can retreat to when they need some quiet time. This space should be free from loud noises and distractions, allowing your dog to rest and recharge. When a dog is stressed, they're more likely to misbehave. Stress can manifest in various ways, such as excessive barking, chewing on furniture, or even aggression. It's important to recognize the signs of stress in your pit bull and take steps to alleviate it. Providing a stress-free environment can significantly reduce these behaviors and improve your dog's overall quality of life. Remember, a happy dog is a well-behaved dog, so it's important to create a safe space for your furry friend. This can be a cozy corner in your living room, a quiet in your bedroom, or even a dedicated dog room. The key is to make the space comfortable and inviting. You can add soft bedding, some of your dog's favorite toys, and maybe even a blanket that smells like you. This will help your pit bull feel secure and loved, a place where they can just relax. It's essential for your pit bull to have a designated area where they can unwind without any disturbances. This space should be their sanctuary, a place where they can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. By providing this haven, you're giving your pit bull the opportunity to relax and recharge, which is crucial for their mental and physical health. Make sure to provide a comfortable bed for them. A good bed is essential for your pit bull's comfort and well-being. Look for a bed that is soft, supportive, and large enough for your dog to stretch out on. Orthopedic beds are a great option, especially for older dogs or those with joint issues. Additionally, make sure the bed is placed in a quiet, low-traffic area of your home to ensure your pit bull can rest undisturbed. And of course, always ensure they have access to fresh water. Hydration is crucial for your pit bull's health, so make sure they always have a clean, fresh supply of water. Place the water bowl in a location that is easily accessible to your dog, and check it regularly to ensure it is always full. You might also consider using a pet water fountain, which can encourage your dog to drink more water and stay hydrated. It's also a good idea to minimize loud noises and chaos around them. Loud noises and chaotic environments can be very stressful for dogs, especially pit bulls. Try to keep your home as quiet and calm as possible, and avoid exposing your dog to loud sounds like fireworks or thunderstorms. If you know there will be loud noises, such as during a party or a storm, create a safe space for your pit bull where they can feel secure and protected. A peaceful environment truly promotes their well-being. By creating a calm and serene space for your pit bull, you're helping them feel safe, secure, and loved. This, in turn, promotes their overall well-being and happiness. Remember, a stress-free pit bull is a happy pit bull, and a happy pit bull makes for a loving and loyal companion. So take the time to create a stress-free haven for your furry friend, and you'll both reap the rewards. Dogs find comfort in routine. It gives them a sense of security. Establish a daily schedule for your pit bull. This reduces anxiety. Regular feeding times, consistent walks, and designated playtime. Predictability creates a stable environment. This allows your pit bull to relax and trust you. Pit bulls are intelligent dogs. They need mental stimulation. Provide enrichment activities. This keeps them engaged and entertained. Puzzle toys are great. They challenge their minds. Chew toys satisfy their natural instincts. Regular walks provide physical and mental stimulation. Building a strong bond takes time and patience. Learn to understand your pit bull's unique personality. Recognize their individual needs. Spend quality time together. Engage in activities they enjoy. Build trust through positive reinforcement. This strengthens your connection. Pit bulls are incredibly loyal companions. They offer unconditional love. By understanding their needs, we can provide the best care, a stress-free environment, clear communication, and unwavering love. These are the keys to a happy and fulfilling life. Together, we can change the perception of this misunderstood breed.